All right, I just got an email from somebody asking me what is the easiest way to promote Live Good? You know, do you talk about the products or the affiliate side where you can earn money or both? Um, my answer is do what you're most comfortable with. I think that when you first join, you're probably going to focus either too much on the products or make money, make money. Okay. If I had to start over, and I've got almost 2 years under my belt, and I've signed up well over 400 people right now in my Live Good business. I think, number one, just be yourself on video, or if you're going to write an email, write it like you're writing your best friend. Okay. Don't talk so much about join, 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 and money, money, money all the time. And I know that's easy to say. Okay. But I think that if you write an email that's just as simple as, hey, there's an opportunity here. Check it out. Click, watch this video. Okay. Keep your videos, and I'm not kidding you, less than 50 words in the beginning. My best emails by far, and I've sent out well over 1 million. And I know that sounds a lot, but I send way more than 1 million per year. I actually send out about 100,000 per day. Okay. And all my emails are very short and sweet. If my emails are over 50 words, I slap myself. I have, I guess, stats that show how many people open my email and then click the link inside of it. All of my highest numbers are emails that are as simple as, take a look at this, let me know what you think, thanks for your time, gotta go, loves and kisses, Cory. Okay, because when they open the email, the subject, it has to be somewhat interesting. Okay, if you put, hey, do you want to earn money? Or do you want to earn some wealth and health at the same time? Or, God, there's all these catchphrases that you're just going to hit delete. Okay, so if you need to test yourself, open up all your spam and your junk mail, okay, and see which ones you delete the fastest. Okay, and then don't do it when you're sending out an email. Whatever you're deleting, please don't copy. Okay? Because if you're deleting, you know that probably 99% of other people are probably similar. Okay? My emails, I swear, if I could just have one word that says hi, open, bye, that's it. Okay? I find, and I always ask people, because when people join me in businesses, I eventually will text or email or sometimes on the cell phone, talk. And they all have the same opinions. It's like, I just want to know, do I want to delete this email? Do I want to even join a business like Live Good? I just want to know what it is. And if it's a video, just send me the video and I can tell within 15 to 30 seconds if I'm in or out. They just want to delete your email, or at least just get rid of your website and move on to like looking at YouTube videos or TikTok, or I like to go to eBay and see if I can buy some Hot Wheels to hang on my wall. Okay? Less is more. Less is more, guys. Even my domain name. Let me show you here if I can click my button. Join Cory. Is that 8 letters plus a .com? My name is Cory. Join was open, but you know what? So was Join Cory now. Join Cory today. Workwithcory.com. I like all those domain names, so I bought every single one of them. My full name is Cory Draper, so I bought CoryDraper.com, and I also bought Join Cory Draper. Okay, because sooner or later you're going to have multiple streams of income, and sometimes a domain as simple as Join Cory will work better than, let's say, Join Cory now. Or maybe, do you want to work with Cory? Okay, you just test it out, and if there is no doubt a domain that is getting opened way more than another one that you might have, then by all means, use the one that gets opened the most. Okay? And follow your emails if you can. I mean, if they're all just going into the garbage bin, or no one's even signing up, or you're getting no response whatsoever, it just means your emails probably need to get shorter and more fun. And like if I was writing my brother, or let's just say my best pal of 40 years, am I going to put, hello, how are you doing? It's a lovely Thursday. Well, I've got an opportunity for you that I think you'd be interested in. I would never talk this way. My brother would slap me one, and so would my best pal. They'd both get in front of me and slap me with a shoe. Okay. All right. I hope, and I can always give out, I guess, oh God, I've got over 150 emails that I use. And if people sign up in any one of my programs that I promote online, I love to just give you my emails for free and the subjects that go in those emails. Okay. I'm just a big believer, guys, in less is more. And that's just based on right now the statistics. I am just more successful by having 50 words or less emails. Okay. And you can write novels if you want to write 4 to 5 page paragraphs and just take people's 20 minutes away from them. And then you're forcing them to watch another 5-minute video, or it could be 10 or 15 minutes. The video that I use the most is 5 minutes and 55 seconds. So if I can send out an email that just says, check this out, well, they click it, they check it out. And if they want to go ahead and delete the video and delete my email in 15 to 30 seconds, awesome. Because I would want them to return the favor to me. I just want to be able to politely say, no, I'm just not into the business. I'm not into the products, but thanks. Thanks for your time. But my time, I'm going to go build me a Lego kit. Okay. So anyway, this is what I do. Okay. I am very good at inviting people to this domain. And that's all I do. Because when they get to this domain, they go to the Live Good capture page. And this is what I want you to do. All right. I just want you to take all the guesswork out, especially if you're just joining me in Live Good, or if you've had experience in the past. Okay. It might not work as of February 2025 as I sit here making this video today. People just put in their name and email. They click this orange little button if they want more information about Live Good or if they want to join. Because you'll get an email from Live Good. You just click it and you can get your username, password, pay. It's only $49.95 to join. One time to be an affiliate's $49.95 a month to be a member. That's it. Super cheap. You can go to the Live Good website, check out the products and everything else. But if you join as an affiliate, you get this exact page. This is yours. You can even change this little name right up here where it says, welcome to Cory Draper's website. Put whatever you want there. But please invite people to watch this 5-minute and 55-second video. Okay. And they will, or you will either put your name and email address in there and go to the next page. And maybe you can get some more information about Live Good. You don't have to join today. Join tomorrow. Join next week. Join next month. I've had people wait 3 to 4 months. Okay. I'm in no rush. I ain't going anywhere. This company's awesome. The money is in my pocket. It comes every Thursday. And these products are really decent too. Right here, the Super Reds and the Super Greens, by coincidence, they're right here at the bottom of this page. But these are the 2 products that got me in. All right, to Live Good, just to buy. I didn't even care about being an affiliate. I love vitamins. I love magnesium. And I eat protein like a maniac, and I drink coffee. So this picture here, I did not tell Live Good to make it. I didn't pay someone to put this graph here. It's just funny that when I went to this page and I saw these products, I'm like, God, this company's reading my mind. Okay, but remember one thing about this company and the products. If you buy any of them, let's say the coffee, you think it's boring. You drink it, you pee it out, get your money back. Send back the empty container of coffee. Nothing's in it. Get your money back. If you try the vitamins, pour all the vitamins out of the bottle, send the empty bottle back, full refund in 90 days. All right, the product just has to get to Jupiter, Florida, where it was sent from. That's where we're based out of. Okay, so 80 days. Mess around with the coffee, the protein, the essential oils. I mean, we have so many products now, guys, your head will spin. Just check out our products. Look at the ingredients. Measure wholesale, retail. If you want to use the products yourself, be a member for $10 a month because it's probably going to save you anywhere from $30 to $50. That was my experience. That's why I became a member. Then after a month or 2, I finally became an affiliate for $40. My goal was to make $50 to $100. Okay, and then I could just spend that on products. Guys, I'm very comfortable making that in a day. Okay, and boy, I'll tell you, I'm new to this business. All I know how to do is just turn on a webcam and giggle a little bit and usually have a drink and talk to you fine folks. And that's it. Okay. But don't overcomplicate what your goal is. And that's to get people to this exact page. It's just called the capture page, or it's Live Good's power line page. And all this stuff, you can just follow along how to set up your business, how to set up your credit card or debit card. You can pay with cryptocurrency, how do you order products. There's full customer support, customer service. All right, they handle shipping, handling. We have tracking with the United States Post Office here in America. All of our products that go from Florida outside the country go DHL International. Everything tracking. And we don't charge for handling. Whatever the shipping is, if it's $5 from the post office, that's what it is. It's $5. When you order a product that just says wholesale retail, shipping, and if you like the price, click and it charges your debit or credit card, or if you want to pay with cryptocurrency, you work it out, okay? It's the easiest company ever. I wish this was around 25 years ago, but we're 2 years old in 2 months. So we're 2 and 2 right now. 1.7 million people have come aboard worldwide, doing about 15 million in sales in 200 countries. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool company, guys. Like I said, I've been doing this since March of 2023. So my 2-year birthday is in a couple months. All right, I've learned a lot, but keep things simple, keep it fun. People will figure it out. You'll figure it out. You're either in or out, right? Okay. High five, guys. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And Cory at CoryDraper.com. That is my email. Email me if I can help you out. Okay. All right. Talk to you later, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.